Oh, little Audrey says, save for a rainy day. She saves, but every time it rains, she spends what she puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Gee, I've got a bite! Bully! Oh, boy, this is a big one! Help! Help!
There's one of those humans now.
A human!
Yay! We finally got one!
I'm the carp on this beat, miss. You're under arrest.
But I don't understand it.
The Supreme Court is now in session and the trial is about to begin. The plaintiff is the fish, the defendant is the human. Officer Finn, bring the jury in.
With the sardine jury all tried and true, an oily verdict we promise you.
The first witness from Fishland, Willie Wigfish, take the stand.
While swimming on my way to school, down where the ocean is sandy, I nearly swallowed this fish hook, which I thought was peppermint candy. Ah, that's a fish story!
Order in the court! Order in the court! Let there be no interfering. Mr. Sailfish, take the stand. Let's continue with this hearing.
I was sailing nonchalantly, never dreaming of attack, when before you could say O'Houlihan, I was mounted on a plaque.
I didn't do it! I didn't!
Quiet, quiet. Let order prevail. Call in the next witness to unveil his tale.
It was a cool December day, and I was below the ocean swirl when I was netted by a whaling tug and drained of my winter oil.
Judge, that's a whale of a tale!
Order in the court. Now let's examine the testimony of the widow Salmon.
My children and I were once happy, and life altogether was grand. But now I'm a poor, lonely widow. You see, Judge, my husband was canned.
There you are, sardines of the jury. The evidence is crystal clear. Make haste in reaching your verdict. It's late, and my supper time's near.
We find the human
Guilty! The Fishland trial is over. It was just and fair. And now here is your sentence. A seat in the electric chair. Stop her!
Calling all carps, calling all carps. The human has escaped.
Oh, you poor fish.